This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 17, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.18 points or 0.29% to 413.46. Total trade volume was up with 69,234 shares changing hands at a total value of 445.6 million real or over 111,000 US dollars. On the main board, 5 stocks were up. Leading the market was Cam GSM, up 0.41% or 10 real to 2,440 real per share, followed by Pestec Cambodia, which was up 0.40% or 10 real to 2,540 real per share. Other stocks also up were Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, Akleda Bank, and Sihanoukville Autonomous Port. On the downside, Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ was the biggest loser of the day, dropping 0.46% or 10 real to 2,180 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which dropped 0.33% or 20 real to 6,020 real per share. Meanwhile, the other 2 stocks on the main board stayed flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land was up 0.33% or 10 real to 3,060 real per share, while DBD Engineering stayed flat at 2,100 real per share. Once again, Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 52,874 shares changing hands at a total value of 385.6 million real or over 96,000 US dollars, which was 76% of Monday's trade volume. Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 5,514 shares changing hands at a total value of 12 million real or over 3,000 US dollars, approximately 8% of March 17th's trade volume. In other market news, bond-listed company Golden Tree released a disclosure report which denoted a decrease in revenue with only $409,270 earned during the fourth quarter of 2024 compared to the $689,044 earned in the fourth quarter of 2023. CIA First International School Co. Limited also announced that it has been approved to list corporate bonds on the CSX starting from March 18, 2025, with an aggregate amount of over 40 billion real or approximately 10 million US dollars. CIA First's guaranteed bond has a maturity date of 5 years from 2025 to 2030 and a coupon rate of 5.6% per annum. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,007 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 103.70. Looking at global commodities, oil prices traded higher on Monday after the United States vowed to keep attacking Yemen's Houthis until the Iran-aligned group ends its assaults on shipping. Brent futures rose 56 cents or 0.8% to 71.14 US dollars a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude futures rose 56 cents, also 0.8% to 67.74 US dollars a barrel. The US airstrikes are said to have killed at least 53 people and is the biggest US military operation in the Middle East since President Donald Trump took office in January. Houthi attacks on shipping in the Red Sea have disrupted global commerce and set off a costly campaign by the US military to intercept missiles and drones. Both benchmarks paired some gains after rising more than 1% in early Asian trade as China reported a mixed start of the year. Industrial output slowed in January to February while retail sales growth accelerated slightly, government data showed on Monday. Gold prices stayed just shy of the $3,000 per ounce milestone scaled in the previous session as the escalating US-driven tariff war now also threatens economic growth, adding to other geopolitical tensions. Spot gold had firmed 0.1% to $2,988.68 US dollars an ounce. It hit a record high of $3,004.86 US dollars on Friday. US gold futures eased 0.3% to $2,992.30 US dollars. Stock futures fell early Monday after the 30-stock index posted its worst week going back to 2023. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow futures slid 213 points or 0.51%, S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures dipped 0.63% and 0.71% respectively. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 17th.